first thing that you want to do, because it's in slope-intercept form, is minus the 8 from both sides. So it's now negative y greater than or equal to 3x minus 8. And then switch over the negatives, then it would be y less than or equal to, since you're moving the negative, you have to flip the inequality sign. Negative 3x plus 8. Now I need to graph that. So you want to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you want to go down 3 and over 1 because that's your slope. So then draw your line like that. And then so you want to shade, since y is less than or equal to negative 3x plus 8, you want to shade on this side. And that's the whole problem. So in this equation, you want to find the zeros of each function and then graph the function. So that's your function. So the first thing you want to do is set the function equal to 0. So 4x minus 1 equals 0. So you add the 1 to each side. 4x equals 1, divide by 4. So your x equals 1/4. So now your coordinate, because you're going to graph it, is your x coordinate is 1/4, so 1/4 comma 0. So that's your first coordinate, and then you just want to plug in like an easy number. So when x equals 1, for example, you want to plug that into the equation. So f of x, and this is to find your second coordinate point, f of x equals 4, and then 1, because that's what you're plugging in for x, minus 1. So that equals 3. So f of x equals 3. So the coordinates for that are 1, comma 3. So now you want to graph that. Okay, so now you want to graph that like this. You can see that. Okay, so 1/4 comma 0 is probably this area. Okay, so there's that point, 1/4 comma 0. And then you go over 1 and up 3. So there's that line. And that line's not particularly straight. But yeah, that's your graph, and there's your function from the beginning. And there you go. Okay, so for this equation, you're just finding the zeros. So say the y-intercept is at 0. Okay, so your equation is your equation is f of x, or y, whatever, 2x equals 2x plus 1. So y equals, because y and f of x are the same thing, equals 2x plus 1. So set the y equal to 0 because you're finding the zeros. So 0 equals 2x plus 1. So subtract the 1. Negative 1 equals 2x, and then divide that by divide that by 2. So then your x equals negative 1/2. So then you basically just want to graph that, or you don't have to, but that is your that is your 0. So the coordinate, if you did want to graph it, would be negative